I really wasn't going to make this video, but I decided to. This video's on starters that trying to choose their first car, or beginners, not starters. My choice is the Jeep. It's $25,000 in trucks. It's really good. So this is when I started. This is my first vehicle, so I got it. Go to upgrades. No, not upgrades. Yeah, go to upgrades. I don't know what it did there. Upgrade the engine power a couple times, and then do the money glitch as I showed in my other video. And this is just for beginners. If you're pretty high up there in the community, I wouldn't do this because I don't use the Jeep too often right now. I'm working on this Duramax build, and it's pretty cool. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do to it. I'll probably put it in a video when it's done or something. I'm probably going. Well, I guess that was the end of the video. I hope this helps somebody. This is my preferable choice. If it did, leave a like, subscribe. If it didn't, leave a dislike. Either way, hope this helps somebody.